What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Kayla All That, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be changing this into a sleek ponytail. So today in this video, I'm going to be using a denim brush. And yes, your girl found some big scrunchies. I am so happy. You're going to also need water, so I'm going to spray my hair and I'll be right back. I also have some leave-in conditioner since I wash my hair, so I'm going to spray that in. I will also be using this mousse, a hard brush, a comb, and also some black castor oil. And you cannot forget the edge brush for those edges at the end. And your favorite gel. Mine is the Shrimp gel, so I will be using this one. I absolutely love this one. I almost forgot my scrunchies, or you can use clips. So now I will be parting my hair for my part that's going to be straight back. Combs and me never get along, so I just normally use my fingers to part my hair. Now that I parted my hair, I'm going to use this mousse. My hair in the back was too thick, so I had to make it another part. Now I'm starting to put the gel in the back half of my head. After I did that, I brushed down my roots. Now repeat that to the top. Now I'm finally at the top. I hate when my back get wet, so I added a towel. At this point, I was using every comb and brush I had to get the right swoop in the front for my bang. Now I will be pulling the ponytail together, and I will be spraying the bottom half and brushing out the kinks. Now it's time for everybody's favorite part, those edges. I gotta get those edges laid. Time for the do-rag, and I'll be right back. This will be the final look. My sleek ponytail came out amazing from what my hair looked like before. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Believe it.